Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P2252, pertains to the air-fuel ratio AF sensor, specifically sensor 1, situated in the exhaust system of the Honda HRV model from 2016 to 2022. The AF sensor plays a crucial role in optimizing the engine's air-fuel mixture by measuring the ratio of oxygen in the exhaust gases, informing the Engine Control Module, ECM, for adjustments that enhance fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. If the sensor detects a low-voltage condition in its circuit, the efficiency and performance of the engine can be significantly affected. This slide aims to present a foundational understanding of DTC P2252 before embarking on a thorough troubleshooting pathway. Understanding the role and location of the AF sensor is vital, since it directly impacts the vehicle's operational parameters. Engaging with the diagnostic data effectively can lead to a comprehensive solution. DTC P2252 denotes a low-voltage detection issue in the air-fuel AF sensor circuit, specifically for sensor 1. This sensor is crucial in managing the ideal air-fuel mixture within the engine. Its primary function is to measure the oxygen levels in the exhaust gases and communicate with the vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, to adjust fuel injection accordingly. The AF sensor is typically located in the exhaust manifold or just after the engine in the exhaust system, which allows it to monitor the exhaust gases effectively right after combustion. A drop in voltage in its circuit can disrupt this communication, affecting performance. Components linked to this sensor include the PCM, which interprets the AF sensor's readings, and the PGM-FI system, which manages fuel delivery. Several factors could lead to the triggering of DTC P2252. One significant cause is a malfunctioning AF sensor, which may be unable to produce accurate readings due to internal defects or deteriorated wiring. Wiring issues such as corroded connectors or frayed wires can also lead to low-voltage conditions within the circuit. A faulty connection, particularly at the AF sensor or PCM terminals, can impair communication, resulting in the error code. Additionally, problems within the PCM itself, like outdated software or internal circuit faults, can lead to incorrect readings being processed. All these issues underscore the importance of thorough checking to determine the root cause of the fault. When DTC P2252 is present, drivers may experience several noticeable symptoms. One of the primary indications is a decline in engine performance, where the vehicle may hesitate during acceleration or have a rough idle due to improper air-fuel mixture adjustments. Increased emissions can also occur, as the mixture may become too rich or lean, potentially leading to failing emissions tests. Additionally, the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system typically triggers the check engine light, alerting the driver to the issue. These symptoms can significantly affect the vehicle's operational efficiency and should prompt immediate investigation into the underlying causes indicated by this DTC. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2252 involves verifying the problem. Start by turning the vehicle to the on mode and clearing the DTC using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS. This tool is critical as it enables technicians to reset the error codes and observe if the issue reoccurs. After clearing the error code, start the engine and hold the RPM at 3000 without any load until the radiator fan activates. This simulation can help in verifying the sensor's condition under a controlled setting. Following this, check for pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS. If DTC P2252 appears again, it confirms a repeat failure, guiding you to the next phase of troubleshooting. In this step, the focus shifts to checking the wiring associated with the AF sensor. Begin by turning off the vehicle completely and using the HDS to jump the SCS supplemental restraint system line, allowing you to perform the necessary diagnostics without triggering safety issues. It's crucial to disconnect the AF sensor, Sensor 1, 4P connector, and the PCM connector B, a 51-pin connector. Next, evaluate continuity between the two specified test points, which involve checking for a connection between the AF sensor and body ground, while ensuring the vehicle remains in lock mode. If continuity exists, it indicates a short in the AFV1 wire that needs repair, prompting you to address this electrical fault to restore normal functioning. The final troubleshooting step addresses potential internal circuit issues within the PCM. After ensuring you reconnect the PCM connector B, exit the SCS mode with the HDS, and turn the vehicle back to the on mode. At this stage, it is crucial to measure the voltage between the specified test points, ensuring the AF sensor's 4P connector is disconnected. The test points evaluate voltage between the sensor's male terminal and body ground. If the voltage reads at approximately 0.2 volts or lower, it could suggest an issue with the PCM itself, necessitating an update or replacement with a known good PCM to resolve the error. If after these actions, DTC P2252 clears, it confirms the PCM issue, bringing closure to the troubleshooting process. Otherwise, if voltage reads normal, replacing the AF sensor, Sensor 1, would be the next course of action. After completing the necessary repairs, the final step is to verify that the solutions were effective. Start by checking for any DTCs once more using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Ensure that DTC P2252 does not reappear, showcasing that the underlying issues have been addressed successfully. Assessing the vehicle's operational status is vital, confirming that it performs smoothly without any ignition or performance faults. Additionally, verifying the stability of the system over multiple runs can highlight any intermittent issues that may not have been initially apparent. If all these checks pass without incident, it indicates that the repair has been successful and the vehicle's systems are operating as expected. In summary, understanding DTC P2252 requires recognizing the critical function of the A frequency sensor in regulating engine performance, with an understanding of its role in maintaining the optimum air-fuel mixture for combustion. One can appreciate the complexity involved in diagnosing issues related to it. Throughout troubleshooting, it is essential to follow a systematic approach to identify faults, whether in the sensor itself, the wiring, or the PCM. Accurate diagnosis equips technicians to address the root cause effectively, ensuring efficient operation and performance of the Honda HRV. Ultimately, achieving thorough diagnostics and repairs contributes to the longevity of the vehicle and maintains optimal driving conditions for the owner. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.